Well, for the first time in a long time, we're going into a holiday weekend in a positive place with our battle with COVID-19. This is Nightside. I'm Miranda Parnell. The Florida State Department of Health released its weekly report tonight, and those cases just keep going down. Take a look at the numbers. We had 12,880 cases since last Friday. That's a drop from the previous week when we saw more than 15,000. And it's a drop from what we were seeing this time last year as well. This is a chart of our daily cases from the CDC. It begins in October of 2020. You can see our cases increasing leading into Halloween and the winter holidays. It was the beginning of our second worst surge, but this year it's the complete opposite. So here's how we stack up compared to the rest of the country. We've been following this map that tracks global epidemics since last year. Florida has been a high-risk state in the red for months, and now we're one of two states in the yellow seeing some community spread. 10 Tampa Bay's Angelina Salcido takes a look at the progress we've made so far and explains what it took to get here.
Well, Miranda, this haunted carnival is something we definitely did not see last year. Take a look around. Parents and kids are out enjoying everything that is spooky. Now, doctors say it might have taken us a long time to get to this point, but something like this is finally safe. Screams and laughs fill the air. For the first time in a year, people can really enjoy Halloween the way it was worth it for these pirates.
Last year, nothing happened.
Did we?
Last year, COVID.
Oh, wow, no, last year was COVID. It's been quiet. I lied. It's been isolated for a while, so it's good to get back.
2020's Halloween was on the cusp of a rising wave of COVID-19.
We were just beginning to slide into the increase in cases.
This peak was just beginning. Dr. Edwin Michael has been modeling forecasts for Florida. His latest data.
It's all indicating that this is just, fading away.
What did Florida do right to get to this point that we're at right now?
I think this has happened, this is chance, right? It's because of the waves that Florida, faced.
Michael says the spike in cases inadvertently got more people immune, but that's led to a new normal and people venturing out.
I feel like people were more scared at first. Now you should just be more aware, more cautious.
Yeah, people I know now are much more appreciative of being able to come out here and join with other people. And like he said, just much more careful because we're actually thinking about these things now that honestly we never really thought about before.
There's ways to have fun and still be out and be safe.
Now we have seen a lot of kids out here enjoying it a lot. We'll be going to get candy this weekend. They are just the next group of people waiting to get vaccinated. And just today, the FDA recommended the Pfizer shot for those that are 5 to 11 years old. That's still waiting approval from the CDC. But in the meantime, doctors say if you have not gotten vaccinated or gotten your booster shot, do that now so we can have a safe holiday season.
And while it's easy to be excited about the road and sense of normalcy ahead of us, we cannot forget just how serious this virus is. 59,670 people have lost their lives to COVID in Florida since the pandemic began less than 2 years ago. That puts us just behind Texas and California. Across the nation, 741,566 lives were lost.